Hello again and welcome back to our GDPR App Setup Guide series. In this fifth video, we're going to talk about how to configure which cookies to be initially blocked upon landing on the site. As you can see, when clicking the Preferences button on the cookie bar, the Preferences pop-up shows up. Here, you can see all of the cookie categories the user can choose to accept or reject. Let me show you how you can customize that. Go to the GDPR CCPA app, select the Cookie Bar tab, and from there Cookie Bar Behavior. Here, you can visually see how the preferences pop-up will look when blocking specific cookies. So, in the option Initial State of the cookie bar, you can select which cookies to be active when a customer lands on your store. As you can see, now the setup is to keep all of the cookies active until the customer chooses to opt out. If you click on Block Analytics Cookies, you will see how the box on the Preferences pop-up preview will be left unchecked. That applies to the marketing and functionality cookie categories as well. You can select to block a specific cookie group or all type of cookie categories except for the strictly required ones that are always checked. They are, as the name suggests, strictly required and are always selected. Let's go back to the storefront to see the new cookie setup. This function is also available if you use one of the two other designs of the cookie bar, Classic and Modern. Here is how the same cookie setup looks in those two layouts. And this is how you can configure which cookies to be initially blocked upon landing on the site. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos soon. If you have any suggestions for the app, don't hesitate to share them down below.